Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to tell you all about the latest workflow pack which we've brought out for Hunyuan video. They have now released their official image to video model. If you don't want to miss my next video, hit that subscribe button, because YouTube ain't going to tell you. I've got the video pack updated, and V4 contains a folder with the workflows that you'll need to get started. Here's some of my demos. I think it does a really good job of taking images and turning them into video. There's obviously a couple of different approaches you can use. I've put in an image prompt randomizer, which takes image datasets you put in a folder in my nodes. Also the normal image, where you just load the image and put the prompt in. And then finally a Quen version, which is going to automatically caption whatever image you load into the model. We have been taking a look at it today on the live show. Every day at 7 p.m. you can find us UK time. I wrote a new article as well explaining how you can set everything up. So we've got the model that you need. This is the ComfyUI model. I'm going to add keyjais soon. I think there was some kind of a mix-up with some of the models that came out early on. Certainly the JJUF, which is what I'm recommending, is great. It's perfect. Depending on what graphics card you have, 16 gigabytes can fit the Q8. 12 gigabytes can get the Q5KM. I think the 8 gigabyte cards will be able to do Q4KM, but it's a tight squeeze, so you might have to go down to Q4. But certainly you can get all the models running. You can get, you definitely can get a version of this working. You are going to need the Llama 3 Vision, so I linked to the ComfyUI version. And don't forget that you've got to put the JJUFs in the UNet folder, or you'll have problems. Okay. And that's just about it, really. I've given you, like I said, the standard image to video, which is just load image, type prompt. Then there's my image prompt to video workflow, which takes, like I said, you select the data set, which you already put in a folder, and then it will put out a prompt and an image. It's nice because you can filter by blacklisting words so that you only get the images you want from your data set, and you can add as many as you want there. So that's how that works. And then finally we've got the Quen VL prompt to video, which is essentially you do a load image, and then it's going to do Quen VL to caption it for you and push that in with a couple of word swap choices, like image to video kind of thing, right? Word swapping. And that's pretty much it, right? I've put out the new workflow pack, as I say. These were photos of my doggo, and do you know what? Apart from sort of some some excited movement, which shouldn't be, it actually does a pretty good job. I tested a whole bunch of different types of art here. We're going to add a bunch more images soon. We're just kind of cooking them all up right now. So if you wanted to grab those workflows, you can grab them on Civit. They're already updated in the V4. You'll find the new ones in a folder there. Or, of course, you can go over to Mushroom Fleet GitHub, and you can git clone the workflows. It's already there. All of the Hoda stuff for Hunyuan is right here. So you'll find all the workflows going all the way back. Native Comfy is probably what you want, but we do have stuff for the keyjai wrapper. Yeah, so Native i2v official is the folder you want, and any new workflows are going to get added in right there. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.